Model, 69 plate Citroen Dispatch BlueHDi 120S and S6 SPDM 1400 driver Cat S repaired body, white, panel van mileage, 36017 MOT, the 12th of November 2024 engine, 1997 cc DW10 FEU transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This starts and drives brilliantly just like a new van. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Unfortunately this had a small accident when it was only 4 months old. It has now been fully repaired and been on the road for the last 4 years, without any issues. Absolute bargain for somebody. Features, part service history, cruise control, parking sensors, air-con, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £12,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call